Morning folks, it's JT here from Scenic Driveways. So yeah, I'll show you a little bit of a project I got going here, and hopefully this will help somebody else maintain their RV. Okay, we have MORryde off-road suspension, and you can see all those little Zerk fittings there for grease. Those need to be periodically cleaned off. You just wipe off your Zerk fittings and then grease them, and don't put too much grease in them. 1 or 2 pumps, that's about all you need. And you got fittings there and then on each side of the tire, and then also pull off your center caps, and behind your caps is a little rubber plug, and there's a Zerk fitting in there that you need to clean off. And again, 1 or 2 pumps of grease, that's it. You don't want to blow your seals. When you're done, you put your rubber cap back on, and then your center cap goes on. Well, anyway folks, that's my little project for today. Hope you're all doing well. God bless you all. Take care.